I've been stranded so many times in this thing. It's unreal. 230,000 miles on the fuel pump. And then I just pressurized the fuel system by doing it. Great. Let me show you how to change a fuel filter. And I'll show you what I did with the fuel pump too. Now, I'm hoping this little microphone thing, got the media mod for the GoPro. For now, it'll have to work as a better microphone. It's a little bit beefier until I'm able to figure out what kind of wireless mic I would like. Not quite sure on all of that yet. As you can see, first thing we gotta do, set that guy right under here, take that strap off, and then that goes apart. Okay, see, I couldn't, I just bring them all up. I don't even have the right size yet. 7, 7 millimeter. Ooh, ready. Oh, goodness. I'm not entirely sure how far you're supposed to go. Oh, yep, that's fine. There we go. You know what? It's not even on there all the way. I wish I could just pull this guy right out your way. Remove my precision zip ties here. Hey, there we go. Just like that. Out your way. All right. Well, I'm kind of assuming the feller's just gonna get sprayed the all over. Take a page from Grandpa's book. Find the dinguson first. Really want a cigarette, but I mean, you can't. You blow this place up, and that's not good. Oh boy, I can't really. How's the guy supposed to? How? Gonna come. I don't want to do that though. Come on now. Okay. Now. Nope. Hopefully I don't break this. That would be nice. Maybe you guys are supposed to go from the back. Oh yeah, I'm pushing the wrong way, boss. Simply just flathead screwdriver. And the dummy. And blast her with some WD first. Oh. Try and yeah. Safety squints. We got her. Oh yeah. Oh. Wow, that's a lot of gas. It's just running out the tank. Awesome. Hey down. Ooh, yuck. Right. So after about losing half a gallon of gas, I think we got it. Just gotta get slid back up and help. Thing gets out the way. Maybe we'll get that a quick spritz too. Try not to spritz the camera here. See? A little bit of TLC and it just works a whole lot better. I tell you what, I already just had to change the battery out. I'm recording at 2K. What do you expect? Gave her a little WD-40 on the old mechanism there for the hose clamp dealy. Then I fluid filmed it. So it's kind of all nasty looking, but it should survive another winter or two. Hooked all the lines back up. I need to put the parking brake cable back and then throw the tire on. We should be ready to go. Hopefully it doesn't leave me stranded yet again. this is my hunch right here. I had this issue, just complete no crank, but no start. I kept trying, and it was popping crankshaft. Well, engine speed sensor, the G28, whatever, blah blah blah. So replaced that and cleared the code, and was trying to start it, and then it fires. No big deal. All right, cool, it's fixed. So I thought. Yesterday went to leave work, and normally you either open the door or you turn the key and you hear the fuel pump pressurize, or at least send fuel from to there. Did not hear that at all. So got underneath the car, started banging on the tank. It sounded like it was bone dry. It wasn't. Fortunately, I work at the parts store. We had one in stock. And the next question came, okay, great, but how do I get the pump out? Because having that, I mean, you have to drop the tank. Yeah, of course, I just filled the car up, and I just filled the truck up before it broke down. So that was fun. Anyways, 3 Phillips head little bolts there. This is I actually end up pulling the back seats out there in the trunk. Not too big of a deal, right? Used a flathead screwdriver and hammer to persuade on it. 2 lines and a connector there, and little bits at a time because it was still draining fuel out. It was right to the top. That was great. We just did the filter, which was a complete rat's nest. Put this back together, probably put the seats back in. We'll test on it. So we're just about ready to, give her the old onions. That was, that's from work. Wow, that's surprising. Here we need the 10 mil. Hopefully this doesn't spray all over everywhere. Nope. Oh, sparky. Hey. You hear the fuel pump there? That's a good sign. Just so everybody knows, I did go ahead and check all of my fuses there. Yeah, that was my first thought. A couple of the videos I did look into. The one feller there, can't remember the YouTuber's name, but it ended up being a injector fuse. So I went ahead and checked all those, and those are all good. Next, kind of maybe not logical progression, but I wasn't hearing no fuel pump, wasn't getting no fuel, so change that up. I got a feeling I'm gonna need to change this guy here before too long. Give her the old crank and see. I don't see no leaks on the ground, so I think we're good. Yep, not even up there. I don't think we're gonna explode today. Just in case, we'll keep the camera rolling. Okay. I hear no fuel pump, but it's fine, I guess. We're golden. Alright, let's get through the door. Brakes are kind of crunchy sounding. Golden pony boy. Golden. So we went through 1/8 of a tank and that fuel filter change. Oh well. I think we got her licked. At least enough to drive again. I don't think I see any smoke. Oh no. I think there's smoke. It's just paranoid, there's no smoke. Yeah, I'm gonna say cool beans.